Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now, I know a lot of you guys are stuck at home, or should we say safe at home. I hope that you guys are, safe during this crazy time that we are having right now. And I know it's so easy to be in a funk. You don't feel like doing anything when you're at home. Your hair is looking like this. So I'm in this video I'm going to do a braid out because I have not done one in a while. One, two, I can't be living like this. I cannot. So I got a shower, brush my teeth, set up my equipment, and I'm like, you know what? We're gonna do something to this hair today, okay? Okay, don't judge me. I know you're not over there judging me when you don't look much better, okay? So let's get started. Let's change this into a fabulous braid out. This is going to be a quarantine braid out tutorial. All right, so yeah. So the first thing that I did was split my hair into two even sections. I wanted a middle part for this braid out. Then I moisturized my hair using the MyCrownOfCurls Honey Almond Leave-In Conditioner, followed by the Honey Almond Twisting Souffle, and sealed in that moisture with the Lavender Frosted Buttercream. I braided each section, making sure that they were tight and as even sections as possible so that I didn't have to borrow hair, and I did a hanging bantu knot at the end of each braid. Now I didn't spray extra water on my hair because I didn't want my hair to be too wet, so I let the products moisturize my hair for me. When you're doing braid outs, it takes much longer for it to dry than when you're doing a regular twist out, so just keep that in mind before taking down your hair. Make sure your hair is fully dry. So I'm all done. Don't worry about this, it will dry clear. Now scalp health is very important. I always apply my hair growth elixir to my scalp. It nourishes my scalp, promotes hair growth. It's also antifungal and antibacterial. So it's doing so much good stuff for me when I apply it to my hair, making sure I'm applying it to my edges as well so that my hair grows out thick and luscious. And I apply it to my hair as well. And finally, to sleep, I'm going to put on my bonnet. It is double purple, a dark purple inside, and a lighter purple outside, like more like a royal purple. I love this so much, and this is from Le Cher Sewing. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. It's result time. So this is a couple days later. As you know, we're all in lockdown, all safe at home, all in quarantine, so there really was no rush to take these out. So I made sure that they were fully dry. And do you see this definition? And when you apply products to your hair and your hair strands properly, it's easy for you to separate them for this more voluminous look. Listen, I cannot get over how beautiful this is. What? Gotta love me some braid outs. So guys, I want to thank you so much for tuning into the My Crown of Curls YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, smash that like button, leave a comment down below as well, and subscribe if you're new, and be sure to come back for more videos. Okay, so I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.